Akĩaria hĩndĩ ĩrĩa egwĩkinyĩtie kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Kasarani kũrĩa mambura macio magekĩrwo, Rejistra wa igoti Ann Amadi ũrĩa ũkehĩtithia mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta mbere ya jaji munene David Maraga nĩoigire nimehariririe ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire. Rĩrĩ nĩrĩo rita rĩa mbere rĩa Rejistra Amadi kwihitithia president, no aroiga ndarĩ na hahũ.
I've not done it for the president before, so it's going to be a first time, but it's administering oaths of office is one of my responsibilities for many other officers. So it's a pleasure to have the opportunity to be part of this event.
Oho Amadi agateterithia matharaita mothe maria makabatarania muthi wa keeri ginyagia mwihito wa president na munini wake mecemba.
Our role is really very brief because we'll only be administering the oath of allegiance to the president and the deputy president, and the oath of execution of office for both the president and the deputy president-elect. And those are ready. So that's really, we have all the instruments. All we need is a Bible and the oath.
Haha naho Rejistra Amadi agatutariria uria jukwa ya president igatuika igoti rĩa ihinda hĩndĩ ya kwihitithio kwa president.
We'll have an opportunity to bring the judiciary mace here because this then becomes a courtroom, for all intents and purposes. And then I will guide the process. I will invite the Chief Justice to invite the President, and then I will first administer the oath of allegiance. Allegiance is to the people of Kenya and to the Republic and to the Constitution. And once that is done, we will then go to the second oath, which is the oath of office, where the President really just undertakes to govern in accordance with the Constitution and the laws that govern the country.
Ahaririria amabura maya maratanyite kurikia mehaririria mao muthi wa umuthi. Rianirira ria Rejistra munene Ann Amadi ati ni mehariririe kwihitithia President Uhuru Kenyatta nikionereria ati riu Akenya no mathaa megutara mbere ya mutongoria wa bururi ehitithitio kwambiriria ikereka riake ria keeri. Handu-inĩ ha Kimemia TV kuma gũkũ Kasarani, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimemia wa Mwangi.